Here we have the Blok N Mesh Standard 2.4 metre high by 5 metre opening on-ground vehicle gate. As standard, it comes with a slide bar lock and drop bolts for securing it in the closed and the open position. Standard 50/50 mesh, 40 box, and it's supported with a fully adjustable support structure for each gate post. We have a solid tray upon which we position the relevant ballast required. In this case, it's two 750 kilo blocks, and the braces are also adjustable to allow for the post to be positioned vertically regardless of whether the ground is sloping. The hinges are also adjustable vertically and on the eye bolt laterally to give you complete adjustability for the gates regardless of what ground conditions you have below.